Measure BH is a $385 million construction bond that's going to go on the ballot in June. And what the measure does is it offers the district money to pay for critical construction and safety projects across the district. For example, we're going to be able to finish the majority of the construction at the high school, get kids for the most part out of bungalows. We'll be able to start construction here, which you see has been stalled for many months. We'll be able to completely finish the construction at El Rodeo. We'll be able to pay for construction projects at school like Hawthorne, where we'll be able to pay for a completely new auditorium, which they've been lacking for a couple years now. And we'll even be able to do some touch-ups and smaller projects at schools like BB and Horace Mann. And even on top of these construction projects, the measure is going to provide significant funds for school safety and technology. We'll be able to better implement technology in the classrooms, hopefully move towards a 1-to-1 student ratio where students can have their own laptops or technology, where we can also ensure that students are 100% safe every time they come to campus.